Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indo jinilo na wakwezon.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is ChukwunonsoCaptures. Ndebanye, ana mekelonu. Apam ChukwunonsoCaptures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the Photo Cosmetic Surgeon. And this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're going to give them back the identity that was stolen from them, starting with their names. As you can see, I got the melanin backdrop up again for this one. All right, so let's hear it for Adelina. That's right, give it up for Adelina. So she sent in her Igbo Name of the Day request. And so I asked her to describe herself. And one of the two things that stuck out to me is that she said that she's hardworking and she can't be messed with. So I'm gonna give her the name Chilezimanya. Come on, say that with me. Chimlezimanya. Good. All right, so I'm gonna translate that name for you. So Chim, so Chi means God or guardian angel, right? Or just the guiding spirit. So Chim, Chi, that's what Chi means, and then that sound signifies that it's referring to you yourself, right? So Chim means like my God, right? And Leziemanya means, well, Lezia means to like look, and Anya technically means your eye. So it's like looks after me with their eyes, or watches over me, or looks after me, right? So you put all that together and you get Chimlezimanya. My God looks after me. My God watches over me. So she said she can't be messed with, and that is because her God looks over her. Chimlezimanya. Chimlezimanya's names give him the power to be self-reliant, industrious, and good at reading people. All right, so let me know what you think. Did I get the translation right? Is that a fitting name for her? Chimlezimanya. If you're Igbo, let me know. If you're not, feel free to chime in and let me know what you think as well too. So please like this video, share it with all the Chimlezimanyas that you know. Leave me a comment in the comment section below, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also hit the bell notification, the bell button, to get a notification anytime I post a new video. So hit my Instagram in the description, ChukwunonsoCaptures, and let me know what you think about this Igbo Name of the Day series. I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say, and I will give you an Igbo name if you want one.